How to delete TikTok shop account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you are looking to delete your TikTok shop account, then in this video, I'm going to guide you through the process. Now, the only way to delete your TikTok shop account is if you are using iOS device. Now, deletion of TikTok shop is not available in any of the other platforms. You can only do this via iOS device. So if you are an iOS user, you can request to delete your TikTok shop account using Seller Center app. Open the Seller Center app and go to the settings, then go to account information. From there, click on submit a deletion request. Then you simply have to follow the instructions and you will be able to delete your account. You need to remember that you should be using the latest version of the Seller Center app for this option to be visible. And this is how you can delete the TikTok shop account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.